Hi guys, my name is Bandi. Today we're going to be talking about those people that normally don't know how to talk, don't know how to phrase or put certain things in line. Okay, for example, oh wow, I like your shoes, but you should have bought certain color. No. Oh wow, I like your car, but it doesn't look good on you. Hey, did I say it looks good on you as well? No, it looks good on me. That is why I bought this car. That is why I bought these shoes. That is why I bought this house. That is why I bought certain things. They didn't have to reach to you first for you to validate or confirm that they're right. Right? So, whenever you speak, mind your tongue. Whenever you speak, mind your words. Whenever you speak, think. Do not just blab things, because so, today we're going to be speaking about those people again that normally gets rude for no reason. I don't like how you speak. You seem like to Do I really have to speak the way you want me to speak? Do I really have to walk a certain way? Do I really have to sit with certain people? Do I really have to be seen in a certain place for you to feel that I am in your standards or I am doing something right? No. I don't have to do things your way. I don't have to speak, walk, talk, or sit with certain people for me to be viewed as someone who is in your level. You get it? If you failed to do certain things, please don't try to do them in me. Please don't do certain things that will make you feel small, and then now you want to rectify those things with me. For an example, you take me into a place, and then when you get over there, you want to show off with me, or you want to make me feel small because they always make you feel small. Don't invite me into a place knowing very well that when I get over there, I'm gonna be your mirror, I'm gonna be a clown, I'm gonna be someone who's gonna be laughed at or looked at in a certain manner, because they normally look at you in that manner. So now you wanted to invite me over so that they look at me the way they look you, or they looked at you. Is it fine? Is it right? No. If you know that you are rude, stay with rude people because you are rude. If you find it that those people that you're around, they don't match your aura, move. You don't have to criticize. You don't have to think that you are better than them. You don't have to talk in a certain manner. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you. When I am around certain people, you do not have to bring up my past. You do not have to talk about my past. You don't have to talk about things that I know, that I don't know, that I didn't know, that I didn't do. Is it fair? Is it right? No. Stay in your lane. Be in your lane. Be within your limits. I am in my limits. That is why I'm living my life the way I'm living it. If it doesn't make you happy, it's not my problem. If it doesn't make